Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be dyeing my hair using the Clairol box of hair dye that I got from the dollar store. So I'm basically just going to follow the instructions and add the booster packet inside of both of my jars of hair dye. I bought two because I needed to make sure there was enough. So I started off by parting my hair into 4 sections, and then I make smaller sections and I add product on there, comb out my hair from ends to the roots, just to make sure that the product gets all along my hair, throughout my hair, and I detangle my hair at the same time. So as you can see, I started at the ends of my hair and combed all the way into the root. Now the reason I'm doing this is because I found that after dyeing my hair multiple times, combing my hair and making sure the product is evenly placed all along my hair makes for a more even and complete dye. So I finished section 1, I moved on, and I finished section 2. The next step is going to be to go back to section 1, go into your smaller sections, add more product, comb it out more, and add the aluminum foil back. At this point, I'm kind of doing a color check. It's not really where I want it to be, so I'm going to continuously add product and rewrap with the aluminum foil. And now I just do the same to the other side, adding more product, combing it out again, and also putting the aluminum foil back. And now that my 2 sections in the front are finished, I'm going to move on to those in the back. Right here, I'm adding more product, combing, finger combing with the comb, just making sure the product's all over my hair. Also with the aluminum foil, it's important to make sure your ends are tucked. And right here, I'm just taking my timer because remember, dyeing your hair is time sensitive. So I looked at the time and I had to speed up a little bit. But I'm just going into my last section and doing the same thing with the product and the comb. So now I'll go back to section 1, and I'm happy to see that the color has taken in my hair. The next step I like to take is I take some of the dye and I put it on the base of the comb, and I comb the root of my hair with that just to make sure there's no blunt lines. I twist my hair just to seal in the product. And at this moment is when I realized my hair was actually going to be cinnamon. Hey, see, I'm happy. Okay, so now at this point, I'm not really happy with the color that I have in the back of my hair. So I'm just going to comb it out. And eventually, I'm still not satisfied, so I add some more product. And then I'm going to go back in and rewrap with some aluminum foil. And now that I'm more satisfied with the color I have in the back of my head, I'm just going to go around to my 4 sections, take out my twist, and comb it out so that it's completely detangled. So this is what my hair looks like when it's wet or when the dye is in it. Combing it out, making sure that product is getting on every strand. And now it's time to rinse, so I'll see you guys later. Dun da da dun! And my color came out successful. I was actually very happy. Here, my hair looks kind of red. I think it's probably because of my shirt. But at the end of the day, I'm satisfied. Clairol did me justice, and I did it with no bleach. Bye, y'all.